In this video, I'll teach you the way that you can check the YouTube video analytics. Whether you're trying to check the video analytics for a particular video or for your entire channel, in this video, let me show you how it's done. Head over to youtube.com and then let's head over to YouTube Studios. Click on the profile icon on the top right and then head over to YouTube Studios. Now, firstly, let's check the analytics of the entire channel. If you see on the left hand side, the third option is called analytics. You can click on this option and here you're going to get the analytics and the data for your entire YouTube channel. If you click on the overview section, you can see the number of views that you got, your watch time, and the number of subscribers that you gained over a period of 28 days by default, but you can also change this over. Other than this, you can also head over to content or audience tab to see who your audience is or where they are watching from and other things that could be helpful for changing up your YouTube video. If you head over to content and if you scroll down, you can see where your videos are getting views from. This is the list of channels from where your YouTube channel is getting views. Now, apart from this, if you're trying to look at the analytics of a particular video, you can also do that by clicking on content. Scroll down and pick the video that you want to check the analytics of. And here you'll find the button of analytics. You can click on it. And similar as the channel analytics, you're going to see all of the data of this particular video. As same, you're going to see the views, the watch time, and the number of subscriber growth from this particular video. So that's the way on how you can check YouTube video analytics. I hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more such videos.